Well, this is Molly. She's kind of gained a little bit of weight over the holidays. So she's decided that her New Year's resolution was to start getting on the treadmill. So here we go. I mean, this was something that she wanted to do. So let's turn this thing on. Molly, come on, girl. Time to get on the treadmill. Come on. There you go. All right, come on. Come on, girl. There you go. There you go. You're doing good. All right, come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on. There you go. You're doing good. Pick it up. Pick the speed up. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. All right. Got 5 minutes to go. Come on, Molly. Come on. Ready? Pick up the speed? All right, here we go. Come on, Molly. Here you go, Molly. Come on, Molly. Molly, come on. Come on. Come on, Molly. Molly. Come up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. You're doing good. Come on, Mom. Come on, Molly. Come on. There you go. All right, well, there you have it. A cat wanting to work out.